Hi everyone! Welcome to Summer Reading 2020. So it is going to be a little bit different this year, but we're really excited about this theme. It's Imagine Your Story and Read on the Move and Book It this summer. So what we'll be doing, instead of doing paper logs, we're going to have all of the reading and the exercise logged done virtually, and it's through a platform called Read Squared. A lot of the libraries in the Mid-Hudson system are using it, and what we'll be doing is we're going to have you log in all of your hours and your exercises, and that way we'll be able to keep track of it accurately. And it's also kind of fun to do it because you can log them in individually and as a family, so you can really track your progress daily, weekly, monthly. So if you'll follow me, I'm going to show you how to set it up. It's very easy, and it'll be a breeze for you once you follow and see what I did. Come on. All right, so on to our next step in registering. So once you have your either computer, laptop, iPad, phone, the other thing that you'll need is your library card. So make sure you have that with you. So the first step that you'll go to the library's website, which is blodgettmemoriallibrary.org. So there's two places on the website that you can get the link for the Read Squared homepage. The first one is right on our library's homepage under the Imagine Your Story image. You will see a link, or if you go to the e-resources tab up top on our homepage, it's there also. So I'm going to click on that link, and the next homepage that you'll get to is the Read Squared homepage. You'll see in the top right-hand corner, you can register, and then also to the right of that is the login. So you only have to register the one time, and then once you come back to this website to log in your reading and your exercise minutes, you'll go right here to the login. But first, I want to walk you through registering. So you'll click register, and then you'll see it says, who would you like to register? So you can register yourself and your children, or if you want to read as a group, you can register as a group. So I'm going to do it as myself. I'm going to put my age in here, and I'm going to hit continue. And then we'll ask for your first name, last name, phone number, email address, street address, and parent or guardian first name for children under 13, and your library card number, and your school grade, username. You'll create your own username and your own password. Then you have to accept the terms and acknowledgement there. Then we'll hit continue, and it says adult registration. Hi Lisa, thanks for signing up. You've earned your first digital badge. You're all set. So the goal is for our community to log in 100,000 hours of reading and exercising this summer. So that breaks down to about 21 minutes of reading per day and 20 minutes of exercise. But our challenge is 30 minutes of reading, and then for every 30 minutes of reading that you'll do 20 minutes of exercise. So the program starts off today, July 6th, and will go through August 21st. So that's 47 days. So if you read and exercise every day, read for half an hour and exercise for 20 minutes, we'll be able to meet this goal together. So that makes it about 1,000 minutes per person. So the more you read and the more you exercise, the better chance you have of winning the grand prize, which will be drawn on the week of the 24th of August. So every time that you log your hours into Read Squared will be another entry for your name for the grand prize drawing. Also along the way, once you meet certain milestones, so once you log in 100 points, what you'll do is you'll be able to print a badge or a certificate. So it's all virtual, so you'll be able to print those yourself at home. Now what we have today, what we'll be doing this week, Tuesday and Thursday during our curbside, we're going to have takeaway bags for the children, so up until age 12. come by, call us first like you do on the regular curbside days so that we can get your name on it, and you'll have a bunch of goodies that are on the theme for our first story walk. So what we'll be doing every Monday during the summer reading weeks is there'll be a new story walk for the family. So what that is a picture book that will be placed on Blodgett's property, and you'll be able to follow the story, and there's lots of activities on each page to help learn a little bit more about the characters and help you imagine your story a little bit more. So every Monday we'll also be having a virtual event. We have a lot of great special guests this summer who are going to be helping us with magic shows. We'll have special story times, readings from professional actors, and then every Friday I'll be doing a first chapter Friday for the adults. So I'll read the first chapter of a new book, sort of for some weekend reading inspiration for you. If you have any questions, you give us a call or send us an email. And I'm so excited. Happy reading this summer. Thanks, everyone. Bye-bye.